Okay guys, here's the tour of my classroom so you know where all the safety equipment is. So right now you're looking towards the front of the room where the teacher sits, and I'm going to just pan around the room slowly so that you can see where everything is. So if I go to the right of my desk, you'll see that the fire blanket is over there, the goggle cabinet, and on top of the goggle cabinet is the first aid kit. The goggle cabinet has the mirror on it as well, so you know that that's that. There's also the broken glass right underneath the goggle cabinet. That's where you're going to throw any broken glass. And you'll also see over there is the door to come in and out of the classroom, which is also a fire exit. And you also see the fire extinguisher. And also on this wall, between the fire blanket and the goggle cabinet, is a gas shutoff valve, which is one of two that are in my room. I'm going to keep panning around, and I'm going to come over here to the right of the door, and you'll see my phone. You'll also see a gas main. That's the second gas shutoff valve. And those other switches you don't need to worry about. One is to turn the water off, one is to turn the electricity off, and one is for an air evacuation fan, but you don't need to worry about those. And I'm going to continue to pan around my room, and there's the fume hood. Right outside in the hallway behind the fume hood is where the fire alarm is, and that's something that you do have to put on your lab floor plan. So that's out in the hall behind the fume hood, so you have to go outside my room to pull the fire alarm. And I'm going to continue to pan around just so you can see what the lab looks like since you're not going to be in the classroom. So here is the safety eye wash station, and also attached to that is the shower. I'm trying to pan up. There we go. So the eye wash station and the shower are together. And then I'm going to keep going. And now I'm at the back of the room. So this is across from my desk in the front of the room. So there's a storage closet. And there's a second storage closet right here, which are labeled on the lab floor plan. And if I keep going over, there is the other fire exit. So it's by the windows in the back corner of the room is the second fire exit. And then I'll keep going around the room. There's an oven, and there's an air conditioning, and there is another door, and that door goes into Dr. Blake's room. It's not a fire exit. That is her fire exit in case there's a fire in her room to be able to escape. And I'll keep panning around. I'm back to the front of the room, and I'm back to my desk.